Hi, welcome to the Flask channel. So, as promised, we will discuss the bit value type. But just a little history about bits and computers. Um, Basically, computers communicate with ones and zero, and they kind of like create some sort of code wherein manufacturers agreed um, to put an internal code. Say for example letter A, it has a code equivalent to it, what they call this Ascii. So it's the American standard code for, or code for information interchange. So the character encoding. So it's kind of like a really technical, but you can think of it as codes. For example, the dollar character has the equivalent of 36, and we have different numbering systems: the octal, the hex, and the binary. uh, Binary is basically used by computers, hence they call it bits ones and zero, the on and off. So that's actually the purpose of the bit value type, so you can store binary format and you can get the the ASCII equivalent as well. So let's play around with it first. Okay, let me just minimize this. So alright, let's kind of play with this functions. Binary, for example, the binary number, well, this function converts a decimal to binary. So for example, number 36, which is actually, if you check it under the ASCII codes, 36 is the dollar sign. So if you enter that one, you'll see that you'll get the number, but it drops the zero fills cell, but it's the same value, 36. And then let's try the ASCII function. So this returns the ASCII value of a character. So let's go back. Let's say select ASCII. Then we'll put in some dollar sign. Alright, so we know that 36 is actually the dollar sign. Alright, and then what else? The character function, this one. So binary or ASCII values to the actual character value. So let's see, when I say select character 36, yep, it's a dollar. For binary, let's see, binary, let me get that code. Okay, there we go. So basically this notation, the B notation, stands for binary. That's the notation that MySql understands. You could do it in the capital letters, then enclose your binary numbers with a single quote or double quote. Let's try a small letter with a double quote as well. Alright, nope, it doesn't work with double quotes, only single quotes. But we'll try the small letter B, yes. Alright, so that's about for this three functions right here. Okay, and then let's try to play around with the database side of things. Okay, so first, let's see. As a reminder, computer terms, 1 byte or character, so meaning a byte and a character are just the same terms. So 1 character is equivalent to 8 bits. That's why it's 8. Alright, so let's try to create the table right now. So let's say create table, and then the table name, what should we call this? Just test. Alright, and then we'll name it column bit, then bit, let's specify with 8 characters. Alright, that's done. Then let's describe the table test. So as you can see, it has 8 bits, which is equivalent to 1 byte or 1 character. Alright, let's try to insert a record. So let's try this. Insert into table with the binary equivalent. Let's see, insert into test. What's the name of the column? It's just call underscore bit for values. And then we'll do that encoding. So you could either do this like this. This will work, or you can change this to capital letters. Alright, and let's go ahead and try it. Okay, and then we'll try to select all. Anyways, we just have 1 column. You can either do all columns, or you can specify this. Works the same way. Alright, select this column named callbit from test. Alright, so even though we put in a binary number, but select automatically converts the character equivalent. It knows it. Alright, so again, just to double check. Alright, so the number here, which is 00, 100, 100, is actually the dollar. As you can see, it's the same thing, plus the B notation that stands for binary. But when you do a select, it converts it to a dollar sign. Alright, okay, and then remember we say a byte is equal to 8 bits. We'll try to insert the character equivalent, which is the dollar. Okay, so we'll just try to remove this and insert the dollar. Whoa, it accepts it because, yep, it's the same thing. It's 1 character is equal to 8 bits. Okay, so let's do select again. That will do. And test all columns. So select all columns from test. See, it has these things here, the dollar symbol. Alright, so let's play around some more. Let's try this select and show ASCII codes, this command. Alright, we're gonna do it, and let's see whether the result ASCII, then I say call bit from the test. Alright, gives us 36. And how about the binary? So remember that it converts the equivalent character to binary. Yes, it did. So again, when we check our table, it should be the dollar character, right? And then it is a dollar, but the only difference is the zero fills. The zero padding, it will drop it, but you get the idea, it's the same deal. Alright, so yep, again, ASCII is the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. um, the so-called character encoding standard. All right, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, the Flash channel, and support our Patreon page as well. All right, bye bye, and have a nice day.